Alright, so this is going to be an unboxing of this thermostat for fourth generation. So I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly about this product. So I'm going to start with the basics. I took it out of the box so that way we can speed up the process. So basically, marketing sucks. So if you see Google, it says Nest Learning Thermostat, and that's it. It doesn't say anything else. It says work with Celsius and Fahrenheit, and it doesn't say anything else here. It doesn't say any features that you're going to save energy or that you can use it with your phone or anything like that. So, all right. So once you take it out of the box, you're going to have this, what you see right now. It comes basically like this, here, and it comes with this sensor. So I guess this is a sensor because it had a battery. I have to pull the plastic. Other than that, there is no much instructions or anything else. So basically, if you compare it here with the old one, with the previous one, so this is the previous, the cheapest version. I don't know why they still make this or why they choose. I mean, in the beginning, I know they made this, and then later they started doing this trash. And if you see, this is the old one, and there is, it's not touched. You can touch here all you want, and it's not going to do anything. The only way to control it is from your phone or from here. And so basically, even if you see the rear, or you will see even the contacts are not the same. This adapter that you see here, that goes on against the wall, is not even the same. So here I'm going to show you, so the way you can see, this is the regular thermostat. So basically this is what you get usually, and in the back you see something like that. You see the pins, and it goes here, and that's it. And it's bending the butt using the screwdriver, and everything is so tiny. The advantage of this is with this you're going to have you can control the thermostat. I mean the thermostat with your phone. Also, it will see the rate, the electrical rate, so that way you can use the AC or the heater. You know, when the electrical rate is lower, and it will connect to the power company. So that is one of the advantages. Like I said, I think this is a maybe portable thermostat that you can put in another room, and that's it. So basically here you're going to have the level. Here you see the bubble. This is bigger than the other one. With this one I installed this one, but this one is different. So I'll show you. You see here, you can control it from here, but that's it. There is no ring or anything like that. So also the screen will not do anything. You have to touch it here somewhere until you see something. Now, I don't know, it stopped working. So you're going to have this. So basically you grab the wires and push this down, you see, and then push the wire in, and that's it. Simple. No, nothing. Here you have the ring. I like it a lot. That is what I was expecting when I bought this one. I saw this one, I didn't pay attention that, okay, it didn't have the ring. So basically if you hold it here, you can spin it, and that's it. So put this, and then here you have the back plate. So with the cheapest one, the back plate is an optional. Here it comes in this box, so I like it. So basically this goes like this and like that. So you have the plate, so here you can put the screws anywhere, here, and here you run the wires, and then after that you put this on top, and after that you're going to put the screws, you know, on this, so that way you can keep it in place, and after that you should be set. So you plug this in, and that's it. So the connector, as you can see, is different. It goes here. It's not like the ugly pins that you see here in the cheaper Nest or in the regular thermostat. So as you can see, And then after that, it comes with the screws that you see here that you can use to attach this. So I'll show you. You see long screws, short screws, and everything. And that's it. So there is nothing else. So it came with I think it was like a small paperwork. I think I have it here. Yep. This is what it came with. So just the basic, so that way you can screw it on the wall. Basically that's it. Here you have the labels, so that way you can glue it on the wiring, and that's it. There is not much. Basically all the instructions you're going to see it on the phone, so I don't see anything else than that. And that is what you're going to get with this product. So if you have to buy a used one, I would not recommend you to buy a used one. If you buy a used one, buy a used one, you know, on eBay or some place that allow you to test it at least for 30 days. Because if you go on Facebook Market and you buy it and it doesn't work, you're toast. So I'm going to install it, see how it goes, and that's it. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the section below. So I highly recommend you to buy something like this because you're going to save it on energy. Because with this, you're going to have only, it's going to, the AC or the heater will be on and off in any time. It doesn't matter. But with this, it's going to be controlled, you know, by the rates of the power company, so the way you have a better rate. That is the main thing. Other than that, if you want to control it maybe with your phone, the disadvantage of this that nobody is telling you, these devices, they last maybe 5 years, 10 years, no more than that. And when you have a new software, you're not going to be able to control this anymore. So that happened with the first generation, second generation. If you buy them used, yes, it works, but you're not going to be able to control it with your phone. So just from here, and that's it. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to buy something like this, I can leave you the link so that way you can buy yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time.